outfit for the day. Welcome to day 2 in Chicago. So the plan is that we are going to explore as much as we can. Today is officially the final day here in Chicago. So the plan is we are doing the tilt experience. The boat ride is booked. We are doing the 90-minute one and I'm going to let you know how it is. And then we need to go to the Starbucks, which is the world's largest Starbucks here in Chicago. There's so much. This Millennial Park that we haven't visited yet. I want to experience everything that we can on this trip. We are getting ready, and yes, as usual, we are running a little late. Our architecture boat tour is booked for noon. So the plan right now is simple: grab a good breakfast and head straight to the river. This is my outfit for the day. Let's go. We are running late. We are grabbing Starbucks right now. Just a quick coffee and something to eat before we keep going. So we are on time for the boat ride. We have missed the breakfast, but we are on time for the boat ride. It's at 12. I guess it's 11:30, and we're almost there. So let's just go get the boat ride done. Okay, we are finally on the boat. There are already so many people here and the tour is about to start. We are doing a 90-minute architecture boat ride and I'm really excited to just sit back and take it all in. First time in Chicago and wow, seeing the city from the water is something else. So many buildings, so many stories. This tour is honestly the best way to really experience the city.
Because they knocked out one of the West Side bays here. Office Space, Whirlpool, and Encyclopedia Britannica.
It's going to be one of the newest neighborhoods here in the city of Chicago, known as the 78. 68 acres of land that'll be transferred.
Just love the architecture of Chicago. I just love it. The tiniest details make every building feel so special. Look at this one with a bridge connecting the buildings. You don't see that everywhere. Walking through the market, everything is beautifully decorated. The city feels festive everywhere. The giant Christmas trees, lights, the little details. It makes Chicago feel magical. So we are now going to try the world's largest Starbucks. Whoopsie. Seems like there's a lineup, but at least we got entertainment. Finally here. Inside the Starbucks, it's so much more than just a coffee shop. It's like a whole experience. You can see the coffee beans being roasted right on site. They are even transported through tubes to different parts of the store. It's pretty cool seeing everything up close. And look at all these pastries and treats. Everything freshly baked like a mix of bakery and coffee housewives. The design here is so thoughtful, from the huge coffee cask in the middle all the way up through the floors to the artwork and the machines roasting beans in front of you. It makes this place feel like something you don't see every day. First floor, they actually have to go. So everything you'll see here is to go. You come here, order, and you take it out. There's second floor where you'll order. There's more food options that I'm going to show you. Where there's sitting to dine in, and then there's third floor, there's more sitting, and fourth floor is actually Starbucks cocktail. So we actually are starting from the fourth floor, which is the cocktail, and I think they're giving you an experience where you can make your drink. That's so cool. So the first order is matcha margarita. So after doing the Starbucks experience, we are here at Zara looking for some good clothes. They have sale here. And then next stop's gonna be Tilt, the 360 Chicago. some reason I feel like Zara in US is actually quite expensive than Zara in Canada. Now we are heading to Till. So tired. Even with these shoes, like this much heel, my ankles are sore. We are so excited for the tilt at 360 Chicago. We planned the whole evening around it. But when we get here, the clouds are really low and there's basically no visibility. They even show us a picture of what it looks like from upstairs. And honestly, there's no point going up right now. So we decide to drop this plan and just grab some food instead because we haven't had a proper meal all day. Time to eat something nice and refuel.
So we have arrived at the Indian Garden.
Now we are back at the hotel to rest for a bit. It's been a long day and then we will be heading out again soon. And now we are going to explore Chicago. There's only one night, that's today. So let's see what we can see. It's a bit late now, so most of the attractions here at Navy are already closed, like the big Centennial Wheel and a lot of shops and eateries close early this time of year. But even with everything winding down, the place still feels so beautiful at night. All the Christmas lights are glowing, there's a soft winter mist in the air, and these little statues and decorations make it feel so festive and cozy. We are just walking around and soaking it all in, enjoying this chill Chicago night vibe. So this brings us to the end of day 2 here in Chicago. The day was perfect. I know we have missed few places, but who knows, we'll definitely come back Chicago. The weather wasn't in our favor and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna call it a night. I'm just gonna go take hot shower, sleep, get my beauty sleep, and then I'm gonna see you in the morning. Bye, ta-da! Well, it's 2:02. I know I had said it earlier that I'm gonna go to sleep now, but then I was like, I don't know when I'm coming back, so I need to make this the last night special. So I have placed an order for pizza. I am just going to pick up my delivery. Here is our delivery. Good morning. It's day 3 here in Chicago and we are getting ready for our last morning in the city. Just going to check out and see what the day brings. The plan is that we are going to try the most famous breakfast spot here in Chicago downtown. One final view from the room before we check out. Chicago, you have been amazing. Now we are heading to the most popular breakfast spot in Chicago, Wildberry Pancakes. Everyone's been raving about it. Just when I thought that we are not going to make it at the Wildberry Pancakes and Cafe, we made it! I am already ready for my order. Just can't wait to try it. I'll share it with you guys. How is my experience? The staff is good, genuine. They are closing in 4 minutes, but they still took us in. So good, it's good. Let's see what we order and what we get. You can see why this place is so popular. Everything here just stands out. It's amazing. So after having amazing breakfast and my cup of coffee, we are actually heading to the Millennial Park. I know we have been there in the night, but this time we wanted to do different. We wanted to see it in the daylight. It's still pouring, it's raining, but you know what? Rain can't stop us for having fun. I just can't tell you how much I love Christmas trees, and trust me, Chicago, hands down, you got really pretty, beautiful trees here. Rain can't stop us, rain can't stop anybody. So this is the bean everybody was talking about. So our time in Chicago comes to an end and we are now heading back to our home. There were so many things we wanted to do differently. This trip was kind of spontaneous. We decided to come just the night before and we didn't even check the weather. I know, it's better than back home, but it's still pouring and a lot of plans got cancelled because of it. There's so much to see outdoors here, but the rain kept us from doing a lot. Now we are just hitting the road and we are excited to see what scenic stops we can find along the way. We have even heard amazing things about Detroit, so that's on our radar. About an hour and a half out of Chicago, we stopped at this little harbor spot. The breeze here is incredible, and even though it's dark and I couldn't capture it properly on camera, in person it's so beautiful. And since we're traveling with my baby Iraya, we decided to do a stretch. Yes, because of you. We thought it's nice to have a stretch. We stopped by McD, and then my sister called DQ in USA and asked them if they have poutine. I didn't realize it's a Canadian thing, so she never got it. But now we're heading to Detroit. Right now we don't know if we're staying, but who knows? Originally we thought we'd spend the night in Detroit, but with the weather tomorrow, we decided to just head back home. We took a quick drive through downtown Detroit. It's beautiful and definitely worth a stop if you're ever in the area. Then we made a quick bite stop in Windsor and a few other little stops along the way. And now we are finally on our way home. Thank you so much for coming along with us on this Chicago trip. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. Can't wait to share our next adventure with you.